Welcome, everyone. It's Chef Letty from the Baking Business Insider. If you're a home baking business and you are struggling to get more sales, it could be that your brand is not recognizable. That people see your yummy treats, but they don't remember who you are. So today's video is all about creating a logo for your home baking business. So grab a pen and paper and jot down all these steps, or better yet, take me on your cell phone. Go sit at your computer and follow along with me so that we can create a logo for you together. Let's go. The first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to go inside of canva.com. There is a free version of Canva and a pro version of Canva. If you want the pro version to sample it, please check the link inside of the comments section. I will post a affiliate link in there for you. Now, I am an affiliate for Canva, but believe me when I tell you, I would not steer you wrong. This is the program that I use in my own baking business, and I've used it since they came on board about, 10 years ago. So I've been a long time Canva user, and I highly, highly recommend it. Now, you don't need the pro version, so you can always use the free version. But if you do want to use the pro version for free, for I believe 30 days, make sure you go ahead and use my link. Okay, so let's get started here. First thing you want to do is go to canva.com. Then you're going to want to go into this section here that says, what will you design today? So right here, we're going to type in bakery logo. Now, the reason we're typing in bakery logo rather than logo is because we want the computer to do the hard work for us and sort out all of the logos that would apply to our baking business. So let's see. I don't know what happened there. I'll do it again. Bakery logo. Hit enter. Okay. And now the machine is digging through all of the templates, the software tool, and it's looking for the ones that are applicable as a bakery logo. And what you're going to find is that it's going to come up with, I believe, over 1,200 logo templates that you can use that are already ready for you to customize and use. So if you're not a fancy schmancy decorator, at least on paper, I know you are on cake or cookie form, but if you're not really good and you're not that tech savvy and you want to keep things simple, but you want to have a logo, this is what you need to do. Go inside of Canva, type in bakery logo. Look right here, 1,290 templates. Then what we're going to do is we're going to just scroll until we see something that catches our eye, something that feels like us, something that is almost what we want, but we can tweak it if needed. So let's go with Cookie Overload Baker. Or Co-Planet. That's cute. That's funny. Hanover Donuts. Gosh, there's so many options. So let's go with Cookie Overload Baker. Okay, so I'm going to click on Cookie Overload Baker. And it's cute, but it's not exactly what we want because our name is not Cookie Overload. Our name is Anna's Cookie Emporium. Okay, so we're going to go and we're going to hit customize this template. And what's going to happen is it should bring up the template. And over to this side, you're going to have lots of options to change things around. Here is the original logo. And what I like to do when I'm trying to create items, I always like to make a copy of the original in case I have a boo-boo and I mess things up. I can always go back to the original copy. So right here, I'm just going to hit duplicate page. And now I have the original and a copy. So let's go ahead and first of all, change the name. So what did we say we were going to call ourselves? Anna's Cookie Emporium. Okay, so I'm going to put Anna, apostrophe S, Cookie, and then Emporium back here. Or we can put Anna's Cookie Bakery, since a lot of people don't use the word Emporium anymore. Let's make Anna simpler. Let's make your brand simpler, Anna. Anna's Cookie Bakery. Okay, so, bakery. There you go. And then we just simply click outside of the box and it should close it up. There you go. That looks amazing, but you know what? I don't really like this brown. How are you feeling about that? Let's change the color. So what we want to do is go up here and you see it says color, click on that. And now we have all these colors from the spectrum. We can get solid colors or we can get gradient colors. So how about we do something like a gradient color? How about this gradient blue? Let's pick this one. So look at that. That looks fancy. Okay. So what do you think? And then we can change this background. Let's just make that background a white. There you go. So now Anna's Cookie Bakery has a official logo. This is the original down here. As soon as I get the spinning wheel to stop, guys, that's the original. And now this is yours. We just tweaked it a little bit, but now you are official. You have a logo. So let's go up here and save the name under Anna's Cookie logo. And we're going to hit the share button. Okay, so now we're going to hit the share button. And down here, we're going to hit download. So because the logo files are usually 500 by 500, which is kind of small, but the reason that they do them that small is because they want this logo to be good for small things like Facebook icons, Instagram icons, and so forth. So what you can do is you can save it as a PNG file in this small size, 500 by 500. Make sure that you click this button here because we don't want to save the second page. So we want to uncheck that and we only want to check the number 1 page. And so we hit done and we hit download. So now we are saving that PNG file, and that can go on our business cards, on our stickers, on anything that we want to use that helps us brand our company and be remembered. Okay. But now what I want to do is I also want to save. So we've already saved it. You can see it down here. I want to save it again, but now I want to save it as a bigger file. And the reason I want to save it as a bigger file is because that file is too small for a t-shirt. Let's say you wanted to put that cute little logo on a t-shirt. So let's go back to share. And now we're going to hit download again. But this time we're going to change it from a PNG to a JPG. And we're going to change the file size from 500 by 500 to 1000 by 1000. And the reason we're doing that, once again, we're going to make sure we unclick the second page. So click on all pages, unclick the top there, just click the 1 page, hit done, and then download. Now the reason we're doing it this way and we're saving it as a 1000 by 1000 file is because this logo is big enough to be stretched out. If you would give that original logo at 500 by 500 to a t-shirt artist and say, hey, I want this on my t-shirt, he would say, this file is too small and I need a higher resolution file. That's what this is. So now you have done it. You have saved your cookie. Your brand new cookie logo is done. And it only took us a few minutes, you guys. So I hope you enjoyed this lesson today inside of the Baking Business Insider. Remember to please hit that like button and subscribe so that I can continue to make more content to help you grow your home baking business. Thanks again, you guys. This is Chef Letty wishing you an awesome day. Bye.